We are now in Zaanse Schans, or something like that. It's a hard name to say, but what really matters is they have a clog factory where they show how to make clogs. This is the home of the windmills, and they have a cheese factory. What I'm gonna do is they're gonna teach us how they make cheese. We're gonna get a little demonstration, then I'm gonna go through the line and try all the different kind of cheeses.
Now we press the cheese in these kinds of forms. Also we add a bacterial culture, which is a bit like yogurt, to start the whole process of cheese making. You can try all the cheeses over there. Thank you very much.
This is my favorite part of the tour. We get to try out the cheese. I love cheese. Check this out. I bet you didn't think that there was a museum dedicated only to clogs. Well, there is, and this place is awesome. I've learned how they actually make clogs.
My machines nowadays less than 5 minutes.
And I learned a little bit about the history of clogs. I saw some roller skate clogs, I saw the dress-up clogs, the high-heeled clogs, and designer clogs, and this place is clog heaven. Check it out. It does not get any more Dutch than wooden clogs with the windmill on the clogs. 2-in-1, baby. Behind me you see some of the giant windmills, and obviously they are some of the national symbols of Holland, but there's a lot more to it than just that. You see, the windmills are responsible for pumping out all of the water and creating a lot of the land where the Dutch now live, so they owe a lot to these beautiful windmills.